Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Important note, before enabling privacy settings, you need to have a personal account. If you're using a creator or business account, you'll need to switch it first. To switch account types, tap on Dashboard on your profile, then go to Settings at top right corner. Select Switch Account Type, then choose Switch to Personal Account and confirm by tapping Next again. Once you've switched to a personal account, now we can enable the privacy settings. Tap the menu icon again, go to Settings, then select Privacy. Here you'll find the private account toggle. Simply turn this on and then confirm by tapping Switch to Private. That's it. Your Instagram account is now private, meaning only approved followers can see your posts and stories. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.